How to send emails. You don't have to depend on third-party apps while working. TaxDome provides its own secure integrated email, allowing you to send emails directly within the platform. To send emails, you can click on the New button or navigate to the Client's Communication tab. Then you have two options. You can either select an email template or write down the subject and the message, just as you would with your email provider. Shortcodes can also be included for increased efficiency and time savings. You will be able to select between using account-specific shortcodes or contact shortcodes. When the account shortcodes mode is chosen, you select accounts as the recipients. So this is a good option if you need to send email to all users of the account. When the contact shortcodes mode is chosen, you select contacts or specific emails as the recipients. This option works best when you need to send emails only to the selected users of the account. Selecting different modes also impacts the shortcodes that you can use in the email. When sending email to accounts, you cannot use contact shortcodes. However, account and date shortcodes are available in both modes. After writing down the message, you will be able to attach files either from your computer or directly from TaxDome. Once everything is set, click Send. To check the email that you sent, click the Go to Thread button. And here it is. That's how to send emails.